Today we're gonna ask the AI 10 tips for streamers. Let's jump into 1. Define your niche. Identify what games or topics you want to stream about and who your target audience is. This one I've been saying a lot, and I actually made a video about what a niche is, so that might be a little bit complicated and I'm explaining it right there, so I definitely recommend watching that if you don't know what a niche is. You can also say niche, I know, but there's no wrong or right, so it's niche or niche. But basically you need to have an idea of who your audience is and what you're gonna do, because if you don't know what you're gonna do, your audience doesn't know what to expect. If they don't know what to expect, well, why would they jump in? Oh yeah, I'm gonna watch this program. Oh cool, what's it about? I don't know what it is. Oh, but why are you gonna watch it? I actually don't know, it was on, I guess. Yeah, see, that doesn't really work. So you need to make sure that you know what you're doing. Okay, the second thing, have a consistent schedule. Set a regular streaming schedule and stick to it, so that your viewers know when to expect you online. I would have used the word live probably, but that's alright, AI. Totally correct. If you set a stream schedule, people know when to watch your stream, they can build their lives around it if they want to, or they just know like, hey, after soccer practice, I always watch this person's stream, so they're gonna be live now too. 3. Interact with your audience. Engage with your viewers through chat, answer their questions, and build a community. Definitely, yeah, definitely. This one sounds a lot easier now that Bot is saying it. Engage with your viewers. Yeah, you have to say hi back, but you have to keep the conversation running. So if somebody says hi, and you just say hi, then it will stop. So you ask, hey, how are you doing? Hey, haven't I seen you before? What is your favorite character in this game? You can do so many more things than just say hi to actually make the conversation rolling, because just hi is gonna stop the conversation, and if you don't have a conversation rolling, there's a chance that they're either gonna lurk or they're gonna leave. Answer their questions. If you're not answering their questions, you're just being rude, so I'm not sure how much of the tip that is, but asking questions is a better one, I would say. And build a community. I mean, yes, build a community. Again, it sounds a lot easier than it is. You need to make sure that people are starting to know each other and start to talk to each other. So encouraging people to say hi to each other or to hype up when somebody subscribes, that helps to build a community. Not every viewer is only knowing you, but also knowing each other. 4. Invest in quality equipment. Purchase quality hardware such as microphones and cameras to improve the overall quality of your streams. This is a bit of a hard one. I myself use the Elgato Wave DX, which is a really great microphone. I definitely recommend it to everybody. However, some people just don't have money for it. I recommend considering it a hobby as long as you don't make money from it, which I mean a lot of people aren't. So the question is, how much money are you willing to put into your hobby? And I can understand that a microphone for $100 and then also needing a mixer like the Wave XLR is gonna cost you a lot of money. But for example, the Wave 1 or the Elgato Wave 3 are also good options, but a lot cheaper. There's a reason obviously I use this mic over the USB mics, it's because the quality is a little bit better. But the question is anybody gonna leave or come to your stream because of the microphone difference? And I don't think so. No, the USB mic is good enough for people to just come in and think you've got good audio. The difference between good audio and great audio isn't that big. However, if your audio is really bad, or you don't have any at all, then it's definitely a thing I recommend, buy a microphone that people are not going to be annoyed by. If you've got like all these background noise the whole time, or you peaking constantly, it's gonna be really annoying. People don't want to watch your stream. So that is more it. Yes, it's nice if you have a good camera, it's nice if you've got a good microphone, but a good one. You don't have to have a great one. It is nice to have a great one though. I agree, but treat it as a hobby. If you don't want to invest in it, don't do it yet. 5. Make use of social media. Promote your channel on social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram to expand your audience. Yeah, growing on Twitch is just crazily hard, and I would definitely recommend having some platform that brings in viewers to your Twitch. You can stream games, and some games actually get your viewers in from Twitch. It's so much harder to get followers on Twitch than it is on other social media platforms. So definitely recommend making clips and cross-promoting your Twitch on other social media to make sure that people come to your Twitch. If you're all new to social media and Twitch and everything like that, don't overdo it. Don't instantly go on 10 platforms and try to get people to your Twitch, because you're not going to be consistent with that. Just choose 1 or 2 platforms and try that at first. See how it goes. Add more if you can handle more. But don't try to do so many that you can't handle it anymore. 6. Collaborate with other streamers. Network with other streamers in your niche to build relationships, collaborate, and grow your audience. I'm currently running a collaboration on my gameplay YouTube channel. If you haven't checked it out, Do that right now. Subscribe to my gameplay YouTube channel. I'm doing escape simulator videos, which is basically an online escape room with Tom Titter. So a good thing about it, it's fun to do things with others. Another thing is that your audience is going to be a new person and their audience is going to be you, which makes it that you might get a couple followers or viewers from it. Downside of collaboration is that it takes a lot of effort to arrange things with other people. Some people are easygoing, some people aren't. You have to find people that it's easy for you to collaborate with and not just people with a lot of views, because people are going to see that your content isn't the same as theirs. So make sure that you pick somebody that you feel comfortable with and that you feel your content is actually working with as well. So if you were a viewer of the other channel, would you also watch your channel? If the answer is no, the collaboration is basically useless. 7. Be authentic. Be yourself on camera and don't try to be somebody you're not. Authenticity will help you connect with your audience and build trust. Yes and no. If you're feeling really down, it's okay to say, hey, I'm not feeling so well today. That's okay. It's okay to talk about disabilities you have or things you have overcome. A big mountain for you, like somebody that you know that's ill. But making negativity part of your stream is usually not a good idea. Same goes for if you're a person that usually doesn't speak that much and you're just staring at your screen. That's not very entertaining. See, this video wouldn't be anything if I just wouldn't talk. Have to be yourself, but then a little bit more social version of yourself, if that makes sense. The best version of yourself. You can make the same jokes as you normally do, but you would normally maybe not make them with new people. Just do it. Just do it. Just go for it. Just be a positive, more social version of yourself. You're still being authentic, you're still being yourself, but you're just more entertaining version, if that makes sense. 8. Learn from your mistakes. Analyze your past streams, figure out your strengths and weaknesses, and work on improving where necessary. Yeah, definitely watch back your stuff, watch back your VODs, watch back your clips, watch back your YouTube videos, anything you make for content, and see, hey, where can I improve myself? You can even ask your friends, hey, what do you think I can improve on my streams? But usually if you watch your stream yourself, you can feel whenever things get quiet or less entertaining. Write that down. Try and see what could you have said in that moment. Look at the things that are happening, like what could I have said? Write that down. Next stream what we're gonna do is we're gonna see, hey, there were a couple things I didn't do so well. Maybe you didn't look into the camera. You're gonna write one of those things down and you're gonna say before the stream, I'm gonna concentrate on this thing today. We're gonna concentrate on looking in the camera. We're gonna concentrate on saying the story that I thought beforehand, like this is a fun story to share. We're gonna give somebody a shout out that's a friend of mine. We're gonna make sure that we react on follows a little bit quicker today, or just on chat messages a little bit quicker today. These are all goals that you can set for one stream, so you can improve every stream without having to overload yourself with a lot of goals, because that is just not doable. Take it one step at a time, but take that step. 9 is stay positive. Remember to stay positive and have fun while streaming. Your mood will reflect on your stream and affect how viewers perceive you. Yeah, this is kind of what we talked about beforehand already. I think a good thing is also a lot of people stop streaming within 3 months, which is really, really fast, because they don't see the results they want. Don't give up and stay positive. You're probably not going to reach partner in 3 months. There are people that do, and you're going to look at those people because those are the people that stand out and they're going to be found the quickest. The people that don't succeed, you're not going to see them because, well, where are you going to see them? So it looks like everybody's succeeding, but the opposite is true. A lot of people are failing and you just don't see them. Stay positive, you're not alone, and you can get there if you actually work hard and be consistent. 10. Stay motivated. Oh boy, I might have already spoiled some things. Streaming can be tough, but don't give up. Keep pushing and experimenting to find what works best for you. Okay, I've already kind of commented on this. I'm sorry, I wasn't reading through all of them first because I thought it was nice to react on them point by point, but that means that we already reacted on this one without actually knowing that we were gonna react on this one. Do you have a question for the AI that you want me to react on? Leave it down below in the comments. Maybe I'm gonna pick your question in next video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe as well, because you don't want to miss any of the Twitch tips.